Hello everyone. Today we will use the compost in this bag to grow Arinji mushrooms. We need 1 bucket with lid, and 100 grams of grain spawn. We pour the entire contents of the bag into the bucket. We need 1.5 liters of hot water. We mix it with a clean spoon immediately, so that there is no dry place. We close the lid, and we shake a little. As you can see, it immediately swelled. We are taking out this first gas. We are closing it again. We will not open it for 2 hours, so it should stay like this for 6 hours. We'll wait for his compost to absorb all that water. Our compost has waited long enough. Now we'll stuff them in our bags. I filled 3 bags and I will put a plastic piece in the middle of them, because I will leave seeds there after autoclaving. We put a metal plate at the bottom. If the water we put in it runs out, it will not allow the bags to touch the bottom of the pot. I put a plate on it, so that it does not close the pressure relief valve. I'll raise the pressure level to high and put it on the stove. I will heat it on the stove, until it comes out as steam, on high heat. After the steam comes out, turn the fire on low heat. And leave on the stove for another 60 minutes. They stayed in the pot until morning. I just took them out. I clean them right away without opening their mouths. Our seed is around 100 grams. Divide it into 3 bags of approximately 30–35 grams each. We left a hole in the middle. I'll try to fill it right there. It's okay to keep the excess on the compost, it's better. I will seal the bags using heat treatment. About 20–25 days we will put them in a dark environment. We made these composts on December 26th. Today is December 31st. Mycelium growth appears normal. Exactly 1 month has passed since the injection process, no contamination, and colonization is completed. Very beautiful. Pins began to form at the bottom of the bags. I also opened a vent at the bottom of the bags. As you see, spore release started. I'll pluck these mushrooms, and I'll clean up the ones that haven't grown. We produced a total of 233 grams of mushrooms from 2 bags, in the first flush. 100 days passed. We'll get our second flush. This was our third bag. It grows a little slow compared to the others. But it comes out in the form of boletus shape. They are very beautiful. Our mushrooms continue to grow. However, their hats will gradually begin to curl. As mushrooms grow, their flavor diminishes, so we will harvest and weigh them. Yes, these mushrooms weigh 131 grams. And this is 103 grams. Our second flush total is also 234 grams. We managed to grow almost the same product that we produced in the first flush. 233 plus 234, total 467 grams. I think it's a good result. Due to the very cold weather, this process took 100 days. Normally, it is 60–65 days. 3 flushes can be produced from these composts, but I don't want to do it. Thank you so much for watching me. See you in the next video. Bye.